I command you in the name of Lucifer to spread the blood of the innocent.
Alright. We go wake up Mom and Daddy. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. We gotta go see our presents. Ready? Already. Awesome. Alright.
Stumble.
I told you you shouldn't have drank that eggnog last night.
Alright, well, first, let's get to our parents' room.
Alright, let me open up the door here.
Squeaky.
We gotta put WD-on for you on that later on.
Yeah.
Dun dun
Alright.
dun dun.
Let's try to surprise them, so let's go real quietly.
Dun 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 dun.
Yeehaw! Yeehaw!
Why is there a donkey in my shoe?
Maybe that's from the Christmas party last night.
Throw.
Alright, try again.
Real quietly. Don't step on any nails or anything that creaks. I want to surprise them.
Dun dun dun. Quack.
A duck? Really? You stepped on a duck.
1 second.
Quack quack quack.
You really want to keep your bat toys in the tub.
I try, but I don't get amused with them while they're in the
Alright.
tub.
Cody Rhodes!
What did I tell you about your Cody Rhodes doll?
Cody Rhodes?
Alright, we're here.
Okay.
Interesting how it takes us so long even though they're right next door to us.
Yeah, but we're like yay high, so it's kind of difficult to travel with house guys.
Okay, it's too high. Sorry about that.
Oh, that's not you, dude.
Woo!
Okay, alright.
Oxygen! Oxygen! Need oxygen!
Want me to... Here. Good?
Okay. How are we gonna surprise them? The door knob's too high. I know. I'll get on your shoulders.
Yeah, go ahead.
What?
Wing!
Almost there. 3, 2. I got it. Turning it now. Oh, it's too bright. So bright.
Boom!
Death. And scene.
Grab a gun,